Hello and welcome to our Erasmus Plus project promoting the well-being of European adolescents, an integrative and digital program to strengthen socio-emotional competencies, SEL for all. We are designing a serious game together with school students from Germany, Spain and Italy to enhance students' socio-emotional competencies, well-being and inclusion. During the last month, we have been working on the design of our serious game, SEL for all. As a result, we launched a preview of the game which shows the story plot, images, challenges that the player can expect from this educational journey. We shared the SEL4 LL preview with our critical friends, including school students, pre-service teachers, in-service teachers from Germany, Italy, Spain and Finland to receive feedback on the game. With regard to general interest, school students showed moderate interest in the game while teachers exhibited higher interest, indicating great acceptance and positive expectations towards the game. To gain insight into what specific elements stood out, we asked participants to share what they liked and disliked. School students mentioned the story of the game and graphic design and the most appreciated aspects. Specific elements like the gates and the skill tree were highlighted positively. Some mentioned a dislike for AI-generated graphics and certain story elements that did not interest them, as well as a lack of action. Teachers particularly valued the game's educational objectives, especially the development of social-emotional skills to promote social inclusion and well-being. However, they raised concern about the playability, with doubts about whether the game would be engaging enough and not overly educational. There were also concerns about the dark tone of the story. Regarding their emotions and expectations, most students felt excited and intrigued by the game preview, though some had ambivalent or negative emotions. They expect the game to be fun, exciting, with a good story and challenging levels, while teachers hope it will be both entertaining and educational, aiding the development of socio-emotional skills. Finally, teachers suggested ensuring the transfer of the game to real-life learning, to receive constant feedback from school students, and to promote peer and teacher interaction to strengthen socio-emotional learning. They emphasized integrating real interactions and group activity to enhance student well-being. Additionally, they recommended fostering cooperation and teamwork, offering customized avatars, and ensuring accessibility to promote inclusion. Overall, the serious game SEL4 LL shows promise as an educational tool for enhancing social-emotional skills and social inclusion among secondary school students. Despite positive expectations, they are concerned about gameplay and appeal. Feedback emphasizes integrating learning into real context and encouraging social interaction, which should guide the game's development. Thank you for watching and taking your time to engage with our work. We're looking forward to share future updates as the game evolves. A special thanks to our partners Erasmus Plus, the European Union and EACA for supporting this project as well. Goodbye.